Hi, this is my cpanel interface. I am going to log in into the cpanel. I give my username and password, then click on login. This is my cpanel interface. I will go to file manager and upload my files here. In order to upload my files, I will first need to compress those. So I compress my files, then I go to the public HTML folder of my server and create a new folder test to test my project. Okay, I am going to put all my codes here. I am going to put all my codes here. Drag and drop, simple. You can go to upload, click on upload. Here you can drag your file. I am going to drag my files here. Upload is completed. Then go refresh and extract the files here. I remove this, delete the zip file, enter into this, select all, move, and I am moving this on a step forward. So in my test folder all files come. I am deleting this. I do not need this, and I do not need the SQL file. Okay, and delete this.